Hello, it's Andrew from Burncoose Nurseries now, and we're taking a little bit of a look at some of our herbaceous perennials that we've got growing outside. And they've been recently put outside in the last couple of weeks, and they're certainly enjoying this dry, bright weather. If you look at those perennials as it's panning across, you'll see that all of the leaves are open and lax, and if you like, they are exposing as much of the leaf surface as possible to the sun, because as we all know, the sun is a key part of the growing of a plant, and here is a very good example of the plants exposing as much leaf as possible to the sun to aid their development. Occasionally in the height of the summer you will see plants almost appear to be wilting in the midday sun, only to perk up a bit as it gets cooler in the evening. This is the plant's choice to do this because it wants to expose as much leaf surface to the sun as possible to aid its growth throughout the year. So here's a very good example of some of our plants doing just that and lapping up this beautiful April weather.